Hi everyone, we are back again on a new video reaction. I'm here to go through some of the important information that has to do with Biafra Liberation Army. There's a video that PM shared. Some of the video that you are seeing now is just part of the video that PM shared. Although we are going to go through all of them in this video, I don't want the video to be too long because Biafran government in exile and Biafran declaration is at hand. So Biafran government in exile is what they are working hand in hand with Biafrans, to achieve one common goal, which is Biafran freedom. And as time is fast approaching, Biafran convention on this month, November, that it will start on the 29th of November. So, and Biafrans are waiting for that. A lot of people are, anticipating, what that convention will, the outcome of it. The one of last year is still, has a lot of dividends, and that is why people are, are paying attention. A lot of people have decided to, pay good attention to that and to know what the outcome will be. So Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran cabinet members are working, day and night to make sure that everything, manifests the way it's supposed to be to the expectation of Biafrans. Now, the video you are seeing here, the PM said on, one of the write-ups he put here is the readiness of men. Readiness of men is defined by the equipment they can handle. It's defined by the equipment they can handle, meaning that men are, they are alert, and it is defined by the equipment they can handle. Some people claim that the achievement of Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran government in exile that is too huge. It is too good to be real. That is the propaganda. From the propaganda that, oh, he don't have anybody, there's no man, he don't have anybody. And okay, you have this kind of equipment that you are using, it is not ordinary. That is not ordinary to see people with this kind of equipment. And it simply means that you must be government agent. From grace to grace. So they started by telling that he's a nobody, meaning that the level of PM and Biafran government in exile are zero. And they have metaphors from that to, no, you are too good, though. This thing you are doing now is too expensive for you, ordinary person to achieve. That you cannot do it without having backup of foreign investors. One of them said that that Biafran that are donating money to Biafran is all about that they are foreigners, that they are secret cult members. Now, just hear this. Okay? Don't listen. I don't. I'm going to say. This is another one. If you notice that PM is putting the video just few seconds. Na name video na emecha mmadụ akpọrọ nshọkọnshọ. Ị na-eto mmadụ akpọrọ. He said, Ibo Karere. That's what William said. And another post he made before then is there will be an emergency Biafran convention fundraising. That was yesterday. It has happened. Because I'm going through some of this thing today because I was waiting to see if he could bring more pictures or more video from the office of Biafran Prime Minister. But as we can see here, this is another one. So that is it. If this one is very short, of course. Like I said, we are going to go through all of them. So this is another one, and PM said, let me read the comment. The title of the first video that we just watched now, which is the one that you overheard someone saying there's more. So he said men are on men are on parade ground. So that is this video was just yesterday, 3rd November 2024, and another video is here. You can hear
we have 10 in the parade. Permission to carry on the parade, sir. Violence! Mark time! Right about
So my people, that is a parade, and I want you to use this opportunity to to encourage you to like the video and make sure that you comment. So tell me what you think about the parade of Biafran Liberation Army and the activities of Biafran Liberation Army and everything about what you have seen. Although we have some other clips that will come after this, I just want to remind you that clicking on the like button is necessary, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it, and your own comment matters a lot. So let's continue because we have other videos, of course. So that is Biafran Liberation Army there.
Right.